to this new episode for understanding HCF and LCM. Now we will see what is a factor and what is a multiple. Consider the number 12. For this number 12, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors are the numbers which divide the given number. Hence, for any number, there are finitely many factors. Now, what are the multiples? Multiples are the numbers which are divided by the given number. So, for number 12, the multiples are 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. So, for any number, there are infinitely many multiples. Hence, any number has finite number of factors and infinitely many multiples. Now, we will see what is HCF of two numbers. HCF means the highest common factor of the given numbers. It is also called as greatest common divisor, that is GCD. How to find HCF of two numbers? Consider the numbers 36 and 90. Method 1. In this method, first we will list down all the factors of 36 and 90. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Factors of 90 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. As we want to find the highest common factor, so first we will mark or we will observe the common factors from these two lists. So you can observe here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the common factors, factors which are common in the numbers 36 and 90. From these common factors, the highest common factor is 18. Among all the factors of 36 and 90, the highest common factor is 18. Hence, the HCF, that is highest common factor of 36 and 90 is 18. Now we will learn the second method of finding HCF using prime factorization. Step 1. Take the prime factorization of both the numbers. Prime factorization means we will try to write down the given number as the product of prime numbers. So here 36 we can write as the product of the prime numbers 2, 2, 3 and 3. Similarly, we can write the second number 90 as the product of 2, 3, 3 and 5. Step 2. Select the common factors and their multiplication is HCF. So from these two prime factorizations, we want to select the common factors. First common factor is 2, second common factor is 3 here, and third common factor is again 3. So we will take the product of these three common factors and that product is HCF. So HCF is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 18. In the first method, we listed down all the factors of the given numbers. But when the numbers are very big, listing down all the factors sometimes becomes difficult. So in such case, this method 2 is useful for finding out HCF. Here we will try to understand what is the concept of LCM. LCM means the least common multiple of the given numbers. How to find LCM of two numbers? Consider the numbers 36 and 90. Method 1. First, we will list down various different multiples of the given numbers. So, multiples of 36 are 36, 72, 108, 144, 180, 216 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 90 are 90, 180, 270, 360 and so on. Among all these multiples of 36 and 90, the least multiple is 180. You can observe here in this list 180 is here. In the second list 180 is here. The 180 is the least common multiple in these two lists. Hence, the LCM of 36 and 90 is 180. Now, we will see the second method of finding LCM using prime factorization. Step 1, it is similar to the second method of finding HCF, that is, take the prime factorization of both the numbers. So 36 we can write it as the product of the prime factors 2, 2, 3 and 3. 90 we can write as the product of the prime factors 2, 3, 3 and 5. Now step 2. First take the common factors. So here common factors you can observe 2 and 3. Then write all the remaining uncommon factors. Their multiplication is LCM. So you can observe here common factors are 2, 3 and 3, which I have mentioned here in the bracket. So the terms mentioned in the bracket are the common factors. After removing these common factors from all these, the uncommon factors are here 2 from this 36 and 5 from 90. So these uncommon factors I have mentioned outside the bracket. So product of these common factors and uncommon factors is 180. So LCM of 36 and 90 is 180. How to find HCF and LCM of three numbers? Step 1. Take the prime factorization of all three numbers. Step 2. Select the factors common in the factorization of all three numbers and the multiplication of these common factors is HCF. Step 3. First take the factors common in all three numbers. Then select the factors common in any two numbers, followed by all the uncommon factors. Multiplication of all these is LCM. So we will implement this method for the numbers 36, 90 and 120. We will try to find out HCF and LCM of these three numbers. First, we will list down the prime factors of 36. 36 we can write as product of 2, 2, 3 and 3. 90 we can write as product of 2, 3, 3 and 5. 120 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. To find out HCF, we want to take the factors which are common in all three numbers. So you can observe here 2, 2, 2 which is present in all three numbers. Then here 3, 3 and 3, it is present in all three numbers. So HCF is equal to product of the common factors which are common in all three, that is 2 into 3, it is equal to 6. Now to find out LCM, first we will require these factors which are common in all which I have mentioned here in the first bracket. In the second bracket, what we want to select? The factors which are common in any two numbers. For example, here I can observe 36 and 90. This 3 and 3 you can observe which is common in this second 3 and this second 3, which is common in 36 and 90, which I have mentioned here. Now, this second 2 which is present in 36, one more 2, it is also present in 120. So, this is the second factor which is common in two numbers 36 and 120, that is 2, which I have mentioned here. Now you can observe the prime factorization of 90 and 120. Here you can find 5 and 5, which is common in these two numbers which I have mentioned here. So this second bracket will give me the list of all common factors which are common in any two numbers. And now the last uncommon factor which is present in 120, that is this 2, which I have mentioned here. Now the product of the factors which are common in all three numbers into the factors which are common in any two numbers multiplied by uncommon factors, this product is 360. So LCM of these three numbers is 360. Important points to be remembered from HCF and LCM are: HCF is always less than LCM. From the given two numbers, if one is multiple of the other, then HCF is always the smaller number and LCM is the greater number. HCF into LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. Based on the methods explained in this video, one can try the following.